If you would like to turn off the sensitive content settings on your X app, here's how to do it. You have to launch the app, and then at the top left corner, you have to click on the profile icon. And then here at the bottom, you have settings and support. You want to select settings and privacy. And when you're here, you have to look for privacy and safety. So you click on privacy and safety. And you just scroll to the third option here. You can see content you see, and you click on it. Now you have the option display media that contain sensitive content. So you could toggle it off or on. And also here in the search settings, you could actually toggle it on or off if you want. Here you could see hide sensitive content. This prevent posts with potentially sensitive content from displaying in your search results. So you could turn this on or you could turn it off if you want. So this is how to turn off sensitive content in your sensitive content settings here on the X app.